The White Knight Corps has paid solemn tribute to Indian Army soldier Lance Naik Dinesh Kumar of the 5 Field Regiment who laid down his life during Pakistani Army shelling on May 7. The GOC and all ranks of the corps saluted his supreme sacrifice. He was killed in action during Pakistani shelling in the Poonch sector, according to Army's White Knight Corps. But the tragedy didn't stop there. In one of the worst escalations of cross border hostilities in decades, Pakistani forces launched intense artillery shelling across the line of control, targeting civilian areas in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch sector. What began as small arms fire quickly turned into heavy artillery assaults. At least 11 civilians were killed, more than 40 people were injured. Among the dead were women, children, shopkeepers, and daily wage earners, caught off guard as shells rained down on their homes and businesses. Poonch town witnessed artillery shells hitting residential houses, government buildings, and public places, something not seen since the 1971 India Pakistan War. Innocent lives were lost in heartbreaking circumstances. The Sikh community in Jammu has suffered deeply. Narinder Singh, president of the Poonch Gurudwara Parbandha community, confirmed that 5 members of the community died. The local Gurudwara Singh Sabha building was also damaged. Locals say that never before have shells fallen so deep inside the town. While Pakistan has previously used mortar fire along the LOC, this level of devastation in civilian zones is unprecedented. Lieutenant Colonel Sunil Bharatwal of the Northern Command confirmed that arbitrary and intense shelling began during the night of May 6 to 7 across sectors including Krishna Ghati, Shahpur, Mankote, Lam, Manjakote, and Gambhir Brahmana. As panic spread, people fled their homes. The local administration arranged shelters at designated locations in Chandak, Lassana, Sanai, and Sathra. One resident from Jora Farm said they were asked to move to an ITI college in Arispura for safety. Airports in Jammu, Srinagar, and Leh have suspended operations as a precaution. Schools and colleges in 5 border districts Jammu, Samba, Kathua, Rajouri, and Poonch have been ordered shut due to security concerns. Many young people rushed to the government medical college hospital in Jammu to donate blood for the injured. As India mourns the loss of civilians and a brave soldier, tensions continue to rise along the border. The situation remains volatile. Stay tuned for more updates.